This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study homeopathic pharmacy. Begin by grasping the foundational principles, such as the law of similars and the concept of the minimum dose. It's crucial to delve into the organon of medicine, which provides the philosophical framework. Next, explore the diverse origins of homeopathic remedies, including plant, animal, and mineral sources. This initial understanding forms a strong base for your studies. Next, focus on the practical aspects of remedy preparation. You'll need to thoroughly study the techniques of trituration and succussion, which are vital for potentization. Become proficient with the various dilution scales, such as the decimal X and centesimal C scales. Also, understand the importance and function of different vehicles, like lactose for solids and alcohol for liquids, in creating effective remedies. Now, immerse yourself in materia medica. Aim to memorize the distinct characteristics of at least 50 commonly used remedies. Simultaneously, gain proficiency in using a homeopathic repertory. This tool is essential for analyzing symptoms and finding the most suitable remedy. The goal is to effectively connect the detailed remedy pictures with a patient's specific symptoms for precise and individualized prescribing. Finally, broaden your knowledge by exploring advanced concepts such as miasms and the intricate relationships between different remedies. Practical experience is invaluable, so consider pursuing clinical internships to apply your learning in real-world scenarios. Continuous learning and observation are key to mastering this field. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals to enhance your comfort while studying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.